Darren Andrews joins us again. He's Clinic Director / Patient for PII Medical Group. We grow hair, INDY.com. I've said it before. I've been in television for 20 years, and my kids are only impressed with the fact that I know the guy who's on the We Grow Hair Indy billboard. Anyway, but I spit through that a little bit quickly because you're not just a clinical director. You are a patient. You're a walking, living, talking proof of the effectiveness of this procedure.
Right.
So, I mean, how has the impact of that been on you?
Well, personally and professionally, it's been huge. You know, I had a procedure done 12 years ago. I had my hair restored, multi-unit hair grafting, took it from the back, moved it to the top, and it's changed my life in a lot of ways. Obviously, you know, looking and feeling better about myself, but also from and that was me before my procedure, also from a professional point of view, been able to, you know, build a business here in Indy that we now have people come to us from all over the country for what we do, and we're very proud of it.
Well, I think it bears repeating that, not just because it was effective on you, but it's inarguably the most effective. There's some snake oil out there, right?
Right. Well, the thing with hair transplants is they're guaranteed to grow these days. It's genetically permanent. The hair we take from the back and move it to the top, and you know, we have a lot of guys coming to us and a lot of high-profile guys these days that we see in clinics.
Yes, some high-profile guys, some high-profile radio guys. In fact, Don Stock from Fox Sports 97.5, he became a patient.
He did. So Don had his procedure 4 months ago, and this is the progression.
Wow.
5 days after the procedure here, as we go through this.
I've seen before and afters from other procedures that don't have the impact that he had after only 4 months.
And there he is at 4 months. So a lot of guys are worried about that progression, and you're seeing the different angles of the pictures here, and the recovery phase post-procedure. It's very gradual. So, you know, you do have some impact, as you'll see in these pictures, for the first sort of 5 to 10 days after the procedure. This particular picture is 10 days after. So the follicles at this stage are resting. They take 2 to 3 months to start to regrow. And here's Don at 4 months, about 40% growth. So he's got 8 months to go, but looking fantastic in these pictures here.
And here's Don, who's never been this quiet his long in his career. So did you go from, you must have gone from, were you slightly skeptical? I mean, Gunner's had the procedure too. Yes. He has the VIP page too. So you're like rolling your eyes until you got the information?
Tracy, you said the term snake oil. When I heard, okay, we're going to do this, and nothing's going to happen for 4 months. It's like, there's the snake oil. There's the thing that I don't really buy into. Mine started to grow immediately. And now it seems pathologically I've reached the 4-month stage because over the weekend I've got hundreds of new hair growing underneath. You just have to reach in there and feel them. You can't see them. They're so small. But yeah, mine took off right away.
Well, and it took off because he had the procedure, and then there are other supplemental procedures that can really maximize the impact, right?
So part of hair restoration is keeping what you've got and putting back what you've lost. So with Don, you know, we did some plasma treatment at the time of the procedure. So plasma is sort of one of the really hot things at the moment in hair restoration, and it helps with the healing, the recovery post-transplant, helps the transplanted hair come in a little faster, and he's done some other basic things to keep the hair that was not transplanted. Okay. So he's in good shape.
What was your inspiration? You're a radio dude. You could have decided, I'm just going to rock a fedora for the rest of my career, but you wanted this.
I was in the process of, well, I'm probably going to shave this off in a couple of years. It's getting to where, you know, the hairline's gone, and looking at the photos we just saw on television, it's like somebody should have told me I looked that bad. You should have came in. Someone could have intervened. Darren did. But the inspiration basically was Gunner had the treatment done. It worked very well. I saw Darren's before and after, and when I met Darren for the first time, I was thinking to myself, wow, that's pretty great hair. And then they offered it to me, and I was like, well, I'm going to do this, and I'm so glad I did. I'm really happy.
And the wife's happy too, right?
Yes, and she's been great. She wants it long, so she's ready for this. I'm in a transitional period, so I've got really long hair here in the back. It's in a ponytail. This is about 1.5 inches tall, and it's growing out. And these guys have been trying to cut it for television to make it look sharp. We've been in a power struggle behind the scenes over this hair. And as you know, no one in radio or television is fussy about their hair.
No, not at all. No.
Yeah,
I don't have to be nearly as fussy on a daily basis. But I also know the only place in Indiana that has the Artist Robotic. That's a huge factor as well for the technology that you have.
Yeah.
And you do the free consultation and scalp analysis.
We sure do.
I've had it done. I learned a lot. I had some raw truth handed to me. So we just go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.
WeGrowHairIndy.com. We've got a VIP page for this guy, so with lots of videos right throughout the process, very educational. 888-724-5129 is where you can reach us, and there's Don's VIP page. So there you go. Very educational there, a lot of fun.
Awesome. We got the links on INDYStyle.tv. Darren, good to see you as always. Don,
likewise,
good to see you.
Tracy,
congratulations.
Thank you.
My best to the missus. He does radio, but mostly if you go to his social media, he goes to baseball games and fishes a lot.
Oh, okay, there you go.
He's good at both.
That sounds fun. Those before and after pictures, though, amazing. I love before and after pictures. Those are some good ones. Thank you guys so much.